This is Sally playing with his mat. We decided to give him the piano for Christmas from Grandma and Grandpa handed on instead of the mat, because the mat will help him learn how to hold his head up. And he seems to be looking at the mobile that's right there. He's pretty fascinated by all the colors. Yeah. There's also this little kitty cat that came with it. It's a rattle. And now he's noticed the camera. Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. See if he said hello. He really likes the classical music, Dad. Can we get a smile for Grandma and Grandpa? Say hi. Hi, handsome boy. Can we get a smile? Almost. Almost. I think that's about all we're going to get for now. He is really fascinated by that mobile, though.